you are doing good. So up to the previous one, we discussed about what do you mean by machine learning, types of machine learnings, model of machine learnings. So before start today, just recall the previous one. So what do you mean by machine learning? It is the subfield of artificial intelligence which one is used to make a prediction depends the existing data. So it is divided into three types. The first one is supervised, then the second one is unsupervised, then the third one is reinforcement learning. So first, what do you mean by supervised learning? So if the given data set consists labeled class, then the model predict the future value with the help of labeled class. That is called as the supervised learning. So here see the definition for supervised learning. It is focused on training model to make predictions or decision based on the labeled training data. That is target data value is already given in your data set. So with the help of that, machine can able to predict the future values. Then this supervised machine learning is divided into two types. The first one is regression, then the second one is classification. So both are used for prediction of the features. Then what's the difference? See here, whenever your data set consists continuous target value, for example, salary, temperature, like that, at that time you just use the regression for the predictions. If your data set consists discrete or categorical target value, for example, yes, no, just like a 2 values or 3 values, okay, temperature, hot, cool, normal, like that, you just use the classification for prediction of future values. So this is the difference between regression and classifications. Hope you understand the difference between the regression and classification. See here, regression is used to predict the continuous numerical value. Then the classification is used to find the prediction using the discrete or categorical value. Example, real case example where we are applying the regression is stock price, temperature, like that, because these type of features may consist the continuous values. Then here under the classification, the real case example is customer chunk, mail, samp, then hamp, then whether the disease is occurred or not. So whenever we are going to take the decision either this or that time you may prefer classifications. Then here in the regression, if you want to find the accuracy, you just use either mean absolute error or mean squared error to find the accuracy, evaluate matrix. In the classification, you just use the confusion matrix to find out the accuracy of the predictions. So hope you understand where you must use the regression, where you must use the classifications. See here, one more example for your understanding. See, in the first pic, temperature is given. The given question is, what will be the temperature today? Today, what's the temperature? It may be the 90 or 84, 85, 86, whatever it may be. So, the value of the prediction is continuous. So, for this situations, you just use the regression. See, in the right side, the question is, will the player may play or don't play? Depends the weather condition. So it consists only here two values, either play or not play. For that, you just prefer the classifications. So this is the pictorial representation to find the difference between the regression and classifications. See here, with the help of data set, easily you can understand. See, in the first data set, different types of features are there, like outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, then house players. Here, our player consists the continuous values. See here, the first one is 26, then the second one is 30, up to the different types of values are there. So this is the target value. Remaining features are called as the predictors or independent value. Then the last column is known as a dependent value, because the last feature is predicted with the help of outlook, temperature, humidity, then wind. So this kind of data set is given for your prediction. You just use the regression. See, in the right side, the table consists same features, but see the target, the last attribute, instead of hours played, here it consists play. See the value of the play, don't play or play. So this is known as the discrete or